This video shows the diagram of the carafe and how you remove and clean the internal parts. So the carafe, you have to turn it to the right and remove the top, and then turn it to the left. And if you pull out the rubber part, you can actually take out uh, the back part of the rubber and then also the tube. The other part is not necessary to do very much. You don't have to dismantle it. It's a black rubber part that has got a few holes in it that needs checking. So there are two holes at the back, and there's two inside the chamber. So if you can clean those thoroughly, maybe even blow it out. And there are two holes inside. One is a bigger hole that you can see, and on the side there is another hole as well. If you can just push it through as much as you can. The other part is for the tube that has got a little black cap. So that's basically what you need to clean. If you can clean it as much as you can. So you see those two holes. There is one which is a bigger hole, and the other one which is a smaller one. You can push it as far as it can go, and it connects to the other two holes there. So if you can blow it through as well, just to make sure that you can get air through it, that would be a good way of cleaning it. Putting it back together, we will show you how. So you just put back the tube with that head, the plastic head on it. The other one goes in, and then you just need to insert the tube and fit the rubber part to the front of the rubber part. And once you push it in, you can slide again. Keep the dispenser to the left when you are doing that. That then clips in, and then when you are putting it back, you turn it to the right, and that's it. I suggest putting the bottom part of the carafe with the milk in the fridge. The top part, just wash it. Once you have done the quick clean, wash it and leave it aside, not put it in the fridge.